Welcome again. Previously we have learned integration by considering integration of polynomial function. So today we are going to continue our subject of mathematics with integration by using change of variable method. This change of variables, this method is also known as integration by using substitution method. So this substitution method is based on differentiation of composite function. Let us consider the function. Let us consider the function u equals to gx. Then, when we are using integration by using change of variable, we consider the below formula. This is integration of f of gx times g derivative of x dx. This is equal to f of u du. It means we have got this f of u du, integration of f of u du by considering composite function. So here we can use this formula to evaluate integration. Okay? So consider the following example. Number 1. We need to evaluate the integration of x over x minus 1 squared dx. So, in order to evaluate this integral, we need to assume a function gx as u. From here, we need to start by assume that u equals x minus 1 square root. Then from here we can square both sides. Then we get u squared equals x minus 1. So after squaring both sides, then we get u squared equals x minus 1. So from here, we can differentiate both sides. Then we get 2u du equals 1 dx. Then from here, we have in our integral x dx. So we need to identify the value of x from here. Then we get that x equals u squared plus 1. U squared plus 1. Okay? So we can replace in the integral. Then we get integration of x over x minus 1 dx. This is equal to integration of, here we have x, we need to replace x by u squared plus 1. Then we get u squared plus 1. Then times dx. Dx from here, it becomes 2u du times 2u du. Then we need to divide by square root x minus 1. Square root x minus 1, as we assumed, it becomes u. Then we divide by u. Okay? So from this step, we can simplify in order to get our solution, okay? We can simplify u, then integration of u squared plus 1 times 2 du. This is equal to integration of u squared du minus plus integration of du, then or times 2. Or times 2. Okay. Then finally, we get here 2u power 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1, then plus 2u power 0 plus 1, because here we consider this is 1, and we remember that u power 0 equals 1 if u is different from 0. Okay, so we consider this condition, then we apply it here, and we get u power 0 plus 1 over 0 plus 1 plus c. Okay, from this step, we need to continue by simplifying, okay? So when we simplify, we get the following. We get 2 u power 3 over 3, then plus 2u, then plus c. Then here we need to replace u by its value, okay? We need to remember that u equals square root of x minus 1. Then we need to replace u by its value. Then integration of x over square root of x minus 1 dx. This is equal, we need to replace u by its value, that is 2 over 3, then times u power 3, then we consider x minus 1 square root, then power 3, then plus 2, replace u by its value, that is x minus 1 square root, then plus c. This is our final answer for the integration. Okay, so this is the final answer for our integration. So we may continue with other examples. Example number 2. Evaluate the integral. Evaluate the integral. Integration of ln x power 3 over x dx. So to evaluate this integral, we need to apply the formula below. Let u equals to gx, then integration of f of gx times g derivative of x dx. This is equal to integration of f of u du. Okay? So when we replace this formula, when we apply this formula for the above integration, we need to assume that ln x equals u. Let u equals to ln x. So from here, we need to differentiate both sides. The first, we differentiate u respect to u, then we differentiate ln x respect to x. Then we get the following. Differentiation of u, we get 1, that is 1 du. This is equal. Differentiation of ln x, that is 1 over x dx. dx. Okay, so from here we can replace into our integral. We get that integration of ln x power 3 over x dx equals, when we change the variable, it becomes integration of u power 3, okay, then du, because we remember that du equals 1 over x dx. Finally, we get u power 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 plus c. Then finally we get u power 4 over 4 plus c. So from this step, we need to replace u by its value, okay? So as u equals ln x, so we need to replace u by ln x, therefore integration of ln x power 4 power 3 over x dx, this is equal to ln of x power 4 over 4 plus c. This is our final answer. Let us continue with example number 3. Example number 3 concerning integration by using change of variable method. We need to evaluate the integral. Consider integration of cosine ln x over x dx. So, to evaluate this integral, we need to use change of variable method. So, here we need to assume that u equals ln x. After assuming, we need to differentiate both sides, okay? So, we get 1 du, that is differentiation of u respect to u. Then here we differentiate ln x respect to x, then we get 1 over x dx. Then we need to replace into our integral. The integral becomes integration of cosine ln x over x dx. This is equal integration of cosine u du. Because we know that u is ln x. Then du is 1 over x dx. And we have it in our integral. So we may continue by evaluating the integral of cosine u du. Okay, so remember that integration of cosine x dx, this is equal to sine x plus c. That is the formula we need to recognize. Then the following is integration of sine x dx. This is equal to minus cosine x plus c. So from these two formulas, we use them while we are evaluating the integral that concerns trigonometric functions. Okay, so from here we have integration of cosine. Then by applying the formula here, integration of cosine equals sine x dx, then we get that integration of cosine ln x over x dx, this is equal to, we need to evaluate integration of cosine u du, that is sine u plus c, okay? Then we need to replace u by its value, okay? Remember u equals ln x. As u equals ln x, replace u by its value, okay? Therefore, integration of cosine ln x over x dx, this is equal, replace u by its value, that is sine ln x plus c. C is arbitrary constant, so this is our final answer. So the remaining is the exercise that you will do so that you get more accuracy concerning this topic. About exercise, for more practice, you will continue with these exercises that concerning integration by using change of variable method. So we have number 1, integration of cosine power 3x dx. To evaluate this integral, we have a hint. It means we need to assume that u equals sine x. Then after, we can continue by differentiating both sides. Then we change the variable and we continue. For the second question here, we have integration of sine x power 5 dx. From here we assume that u equals cosine x. Then after we differentiate both sides and we continue, it will be very easy to obtain the answer. For number 3, we have sine square root x over square root x dx. From here, we need to assume square root x. Let square root x equals u. The variable will be changed and the integral becomes easy. We assume that u equals square root x. Then we continue. For number 4, we have integration of x over square root 4x squared minus 9 dx. A hint for this number, we need to consider this denominator to be u. Let u equals square root 4x squared minus 9. Okay? So, this for number 5, we get integration of tan power 5 x dx. Let us consider u equals tan x. Then we continue by applying some formula of trigonometry. We can evaluate this integral easily. We consider u equals tan x. Then we change the variable. Okay, for number 6, we need to evaluate the integral of sine squared ln x over x dx. We consider u equals ln x. Then we evaluate the integral easily. For the last question, number 7, integration of x squared times e power x power 3 dx. Remember, this e is the base of Napierian logarithm. Then we will integrate it. Remember that integration of e power x equals to e power x plus c. Then we need to apply the method of change of variable here by rating that u equals x power 3. Then it will be easy to evaluate. This is the final lesson for today. So we will continue next time with integration involving trigonometric function. Thank you very much for your kind attendance. You can subscribe for more videos by clicking the button down below. Thank you very much and God bless you.